Hey guys, it's Kitty Lover 100 here, and I'm going to be playing Happy Bird. It's gonna be probably hard, but we can try our best and select the stage. Let's do the first stage first. Let's do medium. Let's do medium. Just do medium, and then difficulty normal, and then start. Okay, so we got square one. Personal best, normals two. So, ugh, guys, it's like lagging really badly. Like, okay, click to make the bird fly. Avoid pipes. We got Happy Bird, game over. Score 3. Personal best 3. Hey, we gotta get higher than 3 this time. Come on, Happy Bird. Come on, flap your wings. Flap for me. Oh, that probably sounded wrong, but Okay, so I'm just gonna screenshot this and it's gonna be amazing. Oh no. 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 I'm celebrating. Celebrating. Okay, so laggy. Ah! I'm gonna see. Okay, let's see. Okay. Ah! I hate you, Happy Bird. I fucking hate you. I mean, I hate you. I can't even get past 4. Seriously? Come on. We need to do this. We need to do this. Okay, calm your roll, Trent. Calm your roll. We can do this. We can do this! Okay. Just keep your calm. Ugh, that was horrible. Okay. Good at 4. That's perfectly fine. Oh, the pipes, even if you touch like a little bit of the pipes, it's dead. Gone. Goner. Okay, so I'm 3 minutes and like almost 4 minutes mark, so this is getting intense, isn't it? Okay. Can't even touch the ground, and it's like so hard. Okay, so we're done.